Force landing! When does Darth Vader step in and save me? Force landing! Oh no, here I go. It's time for some Force lightning! Under the armpits too, Force lightning! So soon, right after the first one, here comes another Force lightning! Right to the face! Oh, it's exhausting. Electrocuting my child. Stop it. Stop it.
You don't want to cast any more lightning.
Yes, I do.
You don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Force lightning! No, you monster! Uh-oh. I have an idea. Time for some Force lightnings on the feet! Tickle me, oh my god, tickle me feet. No, Force landing on the feet. She's dancing, she's dancing. Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. We're gonna get you. We're gonna get you. Force lightning! Oh my god, Force kisses. Oh, she does not like Force kisses. So sleepy.
All that lightning.
Yeah, all that lightning wears her out. Force lightning! Oh, that's good.
Force poopy.
Yeah, Force massive poops. Suspense is killing me. Force lightning! She needs to become immune.
Become immune.
But not to Force kisses.
Oh, those still hurt.
Yeah. Excruciating pain.